for consumer auto maintenance and for power mechanics for the rest of this week, which will be March 19th and 20th. You guys are going to go on to Blaster University and you're going to learn about safety data sheets and you are going to learn about penetrants versus lubricants. Now, I'm on the consumer auto maintenance tab on my Canvas. This will look absolutely identical on the power mechanics side. And for the few of you that are in both classes, yes, all you have to do is upload the sheets. You don't have to do this twice. So what we're going to do here is this video you'll find under Video for Blaster U, which you should have already watched. So from there, let me go into a student view here so you guys can actually see what's going on. So this is how it'll look for you. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on Blaster University, and it's going to bring you to this website. This website is from a company called PB Blaster. They make penetrating fluids, lubricants, all sorts of stuff. So what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down. You're going to find where it says Student. You're going to click on Student. You're going to fill in all of your information. And this is the biggest thing. You need to write this down because this sends it through me. So you need to put 3A293 is my teacher code. So once you put in all of your information, use your correct information because I can actually go through and look at your tests and everything. I'm still making you upload the certificate, but you need to actually go through and do there's tests for each of these units or for each of these modules. So you're going to put all of your information in. You're going to put in the teacher code. You're going to hit register. And this is going to pop up and say that I did something wrong because I didn't fill everything in. So you're going to hit register. It's going to take you back to the screen. You need to click on this guy over here and click on certifications after you register. Come on. It's currently fighting me on the certifications. But you're going to click on certifications. It's going to bring up two things to do. They're labeled SDS and U and penetrants versus lubricants. Do each of them, click on them, watch the video, answer the questions after the video. At the end of each one, it's going to ask you if you want your certificate. I want you to download your certificate. So when we go back here, you download your certificate for each of them. So for the SDS and U, after you've downloaded the certificate, you're going to click on Blaster U, SDS and U. You're going to submit the assignment. And I've actually gone through and done this. So I'm going to click on my certificate for SDS and U. Don't know if you can see that or not. So we're going to click Open, Submit. And now I've submitted the assignment for that. So then you're going to go back out. And so penetrant versus lubricant, you're going to do the exact same thing. You're going to submit the assignment. Choose the file. Submit the assignment, penetrant versus lubricant. And you're going to submit the assignment. So now the way that this works is you don't get the... they don't give you the certificate unless you score an 80% or higher. So you have to score an 80% or higher on this in order to get the certificate. Just make sure that you're paying attention to the video. These aren't difficult. They're not tricky. Pay attention to the video. This should take you guys maybe an hour, which is what we're going to worry about today or for the rest of this week. Next week will be a little bit different. The lessons will be a little bit longer. But for today, we're going to worry about that. Just remember that code that we need to put in. So if I go back to Blaster University here, make sure you write down this code. If you don't have this code, or if you don't use this code, I can't give you any credit. 3A293. Make sure that you are using that teacher code. You have to use that teacher code. Okay? Because I will go back and double check because I can see all of this. I will go back and double check to see if you used the teacher code. If you did not, I will not give you credit for this assignment. If you have any questions, feel free to email me and we'll go on from there. Hope you guys are having a decent week so far. Hopefully on Wednesday you guys got out and built a snowman because it's good packing snow right now. Otherwise, hope you guys have a good spring break and I'll talk to you on Monday.